Hello, my beautiful fam. Welcome back to my channel. I've been away for a little while, a lot of stuff has been going on, especially with COVID and some drama in my life. So, anyways, with God, all things is possible and moving forward. So, let's talk about Shauna here. I got some rice and peas from my girl Shauna. I got some escovitch fish from her, as you see here. I'm gonna let you see what it looks like inside, and inside this beautiful container is some curry goat. Now Shauna does catering in Toronto. If you ever want to try it, you go ahead and hit her up. As you see there, just type in Shauna's Kitchen. You can find her on Instagram, TikTok, or wherever. This is what her rice and peas looks like. It was very well done, and should support her. And so yeah, here we go. And this one here is the escovitch fish. So I got the small, which was about 6 fishes inside here. And after I thought, oh shoot, I should have gotten the bigger one, but it's okay. We made it work. And this is the goat. I'm just gonna get this off here. Oh, yeah, it's really sealed in there nicely. Can't wait to try this. Yeah, it's really locked in there. I'm trying to get it open. There we go. Beautiful, ain't it? So, this is the goat, and she did a really good job with this. Enjoyed it. Had a nice meal with it. No, invited some people over, and we chowed down. Yeah. Thank you, Shauna. You're my girl. So here we go. This is what it looks like. And she also made me this beautiful cheesecake. It's a Bailey's cheesecake. It was amazing. Thank you, Shauna. Yes, there you go. I sliced it up so you can see that. It was very good. You could taste all the Bailey's. So, let's get on to the pot. So I burnt this pot. I was making some food, stepped away for a bit, and it burnt. So I'm going to show you how I fixed this. So a little bit of salt in the bottom of the pot, as you see there. I put the salt in, and I'm gonna throw some Coca-Cola. You don't have to put the salt really, but that was just my thing. So anyways, I'm gonna pour half a can of the Coca-Cola inside. It's on medium heat, number 5, and I'm just gonna let that cook for about 5 minutes. It could be 10 minutes depending on the damage. So just put it there. Get it all done. You wait around for a little bit. And as you see there, it's lifting it off. You see that? Look at that. It's been about 5 minutes. There you go. I'm gonna leave it a little bit longer, maybe 10. Okay, a little bit longer, and this is what it looks like. Let's keep an eye on it. It loosens everything up, so you don't have to do much scrubbing. Mix it around, get all that bad boy off there. Here we go. Mm-hmm. This was a new pot too. I couldn't believe I burned the darn pot. My goodness. But anyways, Coca-Cola always does the trick. So I get it over here, some water in there, rinse it out. Look at all that. So just a little elbow grease now, and you are good. So after this, I just rub it a little with this. And as you see there, A little bit of elbow grease around the edges, and it just lifts it off. But if you don't want to have to put any elbow grease, if you just leave it a little bit longer, add some more Coke and do it. And this is what happens with that. So now it's just stained, as you see, and then you can get rid of that with some lemon or put a little bit more Coke in and go cook it another 5 minutes, and it will lift off the rest of the stain of the burn on the bottom. Right? So I just do that there. But for it to come back really, really shiny, um, you can either do this, put some more Coke in and scrub it off, or you can use lemon, which I'll show you in another video. And there you go. The magic of Coca-Cola. Look at that. Imagine what it does to your insides, huh? Stop drinking this stuff, y'all. Stay woke. But anyways, this is how I fixed my burnt pot. Minimal work. Just cook it up with some Coca-Cola.